Hey YouTube, Maker's Journey here. Just giving a house update, kind of show you the progress and things like that. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start out here and go ahead and take you on the inside the house, because the water's running, the septic's there, everything's, I mean, you can technically live in this house, I'm guessing. So anyway, I'm gonna turn the camera around here and show you what's happening. That's the front of the house. I think I have this GoPro on widescreen. I'll walk around to the side here.
So there's still got a little ways to go. Supposedly, our signing date is on the 4th, but I don't think we got too much more happening here. They got poured slabs still. There's the garage, aka shop.
The new Maker's Journey location. Very excited and pumped over this. Let's go on inside. That's it. I am so excited.
Down here, the deck's going to be there. I think it's going to be a 10 by 27. It's going to go to the end of the building down there. They just stuck the gas in for the fireplace today. Let me fast forward some of this walking.
The garage, hot water heater. And that's the entranceway to the house. Give you a little look around here. That's this is a bedroom up here. They still got to do carpets. That's one of the girls' rooms. This is the only part that you have to climb stairs for, by the way. And back here, the attic, air handler. Give you a quick tease of the kitchen. Master bedroom. Master closet. That's a big walk-in closet. I'm happy with it. Then we're coming to the bathroom. There's no lights in there, so I have one behind me though. That's linen. Shower. They come in at the end with a cleanup crew, and then here's the toilet area. Has its own separate door. I kind of like this thought process. Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna take you into the, this is the laundry room. Let's see if the lights work. Alright, light works nice. So close. That does not look OSHA approved right there. And then the entranceway. I see myself mostly entering from the side of the house, or the back. But then this is the living room. Hopefully I can give you a nice little panoramic here. It's our turbine fan. Then here's the kitchen. Dining area will be right there. Just big open floor plan. All the appliances are in. Water works. works. Dishwasher's in. And then we're going back to the bedrooms. 2 bedrooms up front here. I think they're 12 by 12. I can't remember. And then here's the other bathroom. Same situation. Linen right there. Hopefully I'm not going too fast on this video. I'm guessing this is mostly for friends and family, but YouTubers are more than welcome to put their input there if you want to comment. But it's close. Supposedly 2 weeks from now we should be living here. Then I'll start giving you some updates on some of the projects. I'll be doing videos on the projects and stuff like that. So, but that's it, guys. Here's the backyard. I don't know if I showed that or not. They still got to grade it and seed, and the deck guy's got to finish up too. So very pumped over that. Anyway, that's the house. You know, we can't wait to move in here. We're extremely excited and things, but it's going to be a new way of life for us. We're not used to being in a rural area. You know, we have truly been living in cities and urban dwellings for quite a while. So this is going to be our first experience at this type of thing. So anyway, that's it. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.